What's up guys, JepoyDaNinja here. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video and I'm getting back to it. But for today's video, I'm about to teach you guys on how to install a new battery for a Gen 5 ZX10R Ninja. So stay tuned and watch the video. I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna break it down bit by bit, so just pay attention and hopefully this video can help you change your own battery. Again, this is gonna be a DIY for a Gen 5 ZX10R Kawasaki Ninja. Okay. Alright guys, so we are here at my, so it's basically 4th of July.
Put it in reverse, Terry! Put it in reverse! Oh, Lord! Lord, Jesus! Oh, Lord! Oh.
This is my Kawasaki ZX10R right here. And this is my dad's little 300. Okay, so I'm gonna make this quick, straight to the point, so bear with me. Yeah, so first things first, what you need is a key. The size is 4, and then you need a 13 and 32 key as well, and pretty much that's the only thing that we need. And to uninstall the battery, reinstalling a new battery, we are going to be taking off this part here, and this seat here. Okay, so first things first, what you want to do is with your key, there's going to be a key slot here. Okay, so with that, just open it up and this is going to pop out just like that. Okay, put that there, take off my key. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2, okay, we have 4 things here that we have to take out. Okay, so we're going to take those out, those 4 things out with my size 4 key. Okay, so I've kind of loosened it up and we're going to take it out right now. Okay, so that's what happens. I have unscrewed those 4 nuts there. Okay, and we are just gonna yank it out. Okay, see how that happens? There you go. Just gonna put this side here. Alright, so now this is what it looks like, right? So with my size 13, 32, okay, or number 7, we're gonna take this out, these 2 things here, and once we have taken these 2 out, this whole seat is gonna pop out. So we're gonna take this whole seat out. Okay, so I've removed the 2 things that we need to remove, and we're just gonna yank it, pull it out like that. Okay, there you go, and lift it up. Okay, so now what we are about to do is I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the positive, this is the negative. You see this rubber thing here, this rubber band here that's holding it up? You are going to take this out via here. So just push it. There you go. Just like that. And bam. See? Now we can access this. With this instance here, we are going to, so it's held up by the positive terminal, negative terminal, with that looks like we can probably use a Phillips head there. Okay, so we will take that out to uninstall and remove this battery. Okay. You know what? Actually, the 1332 can work, so we're gonna take that out using the 13. Okay, so let me just put my camera there. Okay, so it's the way how I would remove this is I'm going to remove positive first and then negative second, okay? Okay, so we've removed that one there. Set your side, then we're going to remove the negative. Okay. So, see that? I removed the positive, negative, so it's positive first, negative second, okay? So this battery here probably weighs about, I don't know, almost 10 pounds, I think. This is the size type, you know, 10S, Z10S, and you just remove it, just like so. Yeah, it probably weighs like almost 10 pounds, so here it is. We are going to open up the battery that we just bought, and we are going to install that new battery. Alright, so this is the battery that we got from Amazon. So I didn't really go with a very expensive battery because I know that I have to change the battery maybe 2 to 3 years. So kind of like this one, I haven't rode this bike for a while, so, and I didn't really charge it using the battery tender, so it died on me. So the battery lasted for like 3 years. I mean, the battery, this one here was only for 25-30 bucks. So here's the battery. So it's 10S, I think is the size. I'm positive that it's 10S, but you know. So here's the owner's manual. Okay. we're slowly gonna pull out the battery. There we go, nice. So it's got you those necessary things that you need. I don't like that sound. It makes me cringe. So here's the battery, the one that I got. YTZ10S. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it up. It's perfectly sealed with plastic here. Put this aside because we need that. And here it is. Okay. So we are going to install the battery now. We are done uninstalling it, so we are just gonna install it now, okay? So to install the battery, we are gonna lay it up like this first, okay? So that way we can install the terminals, okay? We're gonna use this little thing here. This one here, we're gonna put it inside of the terminal. It's gonna be negative, then positive. Hook this one up yet, so you see that little thing there? We're gonna hook this up, just like that. See that little thing there? We're just gonna tighten it up, just a little bit. Okay, just like that. So we're gonna do the positive next. So we did the same thing with the positive there. So we're just gonna tighten that up. Okay, we're gonna tighten both of these up, and we're gonna lay this battery flat. We are then going to secure it with this one. All right. So we're just gonna tighten these up. Okay, we're using the same thing. Alright, so it's nice and tight. What? Positive and negative. So this, just slide it in. Okay. Okay, so just like that. It's all the way in. Okay, as you can see, it's lined up. Okay. Okay, it's lined up. We're just gonna tighten that up. Alright, next is this. Line it up again. Okay, just like so. Make sure it's flushed. And just push it a little bit. There we go. See, it snaps and push it down. There we go. So we're going to use our number 4 key here to tighten it up. And we're just going to put back our seat. And that's how you change a battery. So we are just gonna test it out and see. Okay, so this is a 2016 ZX10R Gen 5. Okay, so that's the mileage right there. It's in full power. We are gonna test it out and see if it's gonna work. Normally put on the brakes, then and that's how you change a battery for a Gen 5 ZX10R Kawasaki. JepoyDaNinja. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the road. Stay safe.